राज्य सरकारावतीन आयोजित केल्ल्या मनोहर पर्रीकार विज्ञान महोत्सवाक लागून विद्यार्थ्यांक प्रेरणा मेळटली। विज्ञान हो विषय फकत पाठ्यपुस्तक वा प्रयोगशाळेपुरतो मर्यादित ना, हे ह्या महोत्सवाक लागून समजून येतलें। महोत्सवात 18 सुवातांचेर 19 शास्त्रज्ञ 2000 परस चड विद्यार्थ्यांकडेन संवाद साधतले। हाका लागून विद्यार्थ्यांक ह्या मेळावेली नवी संकल्पना, संशोधन, शास्त्रज्ञांक तांच्या प्रयोगात आयिल्ले प्रस्न, ताचेर काडिल्ले उपाय अशा खुबशा गजालींची म्हायती मेळटली, अशें मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी सांगलें।
The science today shapes almost the every part of our lives, from how we understand nature to how we design solutions for society. The platforms like Manohar Parrikar Vidnyan Mahotsav reminds us that the science not limited to textbook or laboratories. It begins with a curiosity and grows through questioning. Goa has contributed meaningful to India's scientific journey. We recall with the pride Gomantak who's amongst us Dr. Anil Kakodkar, whose leadership strengthened the India's capability in the strategic and energy-related technology. He's also remember Dr. Raghunath Ananta Mashilkar, whose work connected the research and industry and the public purpose. Dr. Damodar Dharmananda Kosambi, and whose analytical approach reshaped thinking across the disciplines. Their journey shows how scientific thinking can influence the society, far beyond the academic boundaries. To encourage the research and original thinkings amongst the young scientists, the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award, carrying the cash prize of ₹5 lakhs, has been instituted. This award has been effective to value innovations and scientific excellence and to motivate the young researcher to pursue the rigorous and meaningful work. Do not hesitate to explore, to face the uncertainty. The every efforts contributes to learning. The teachers and mentors, they play an important role in shaping the journey by encouraging the critical thinking and experimentations. The educators helps the transforming the curiosity into capability. I extend my appreciation to all the teachers and who continue to guide the students towards the thoughtful and responsible inquiry.